One winter day, it's below zero in Vermont, and outside it feels even colder when you factor in the wind chill. But inside some unheated tunnels on a farm, spinach is growing.
Every year. Think it's not gonna work this year.
It does work, but not the way most people think. Winter greens aren't actually grown in the winter, they're planted in the fall. By November, spinach planted in September has reached harvestable size. Then it waits. Below 10 hours of daylight, mid November through late January in Vermont, causes plants to essentially stop growing. They're not dead, they're dormant, drawing down inventory planted months earlier. Protection comes from layers. It's not just the air temperature. Soil holds daytime heat and releases it each night. Each row cover traps that rising warmth.
2 or 3 layers of the 30 weight covers.
Here's what most people don't know: frozen spinach is sweeter. When temperatures drop, spinach converts starch to sugar to act as a type of antifreeze for the plant. January spinach will taste nothing like July spinach. But the sweetness comes at a cost. Winter production requires 4 times the labor per pound. Every sunny day, removing covers to prevent overheating, and every cold night, replacing them perfectly to protect the plants from the chilly nighttime temps. And sometimes nature wins.
2 nights ago, we had a -20-degree wind
Ooh.
chill, and for nights like that, it would be really nice to just have some emergency heat or just a little bit of supplemental heat in there.
Most Vermont farms won't attempt this. Less than 10% run meaningful winter production. The bottleneck isn't cold, it's germination.
Because it's so cold in our tunnels, they wouldn't germinate or they would rot or they would grow so slowly that we wouldn't get harvest off them.
Everything starts in their one heated space, then's transplanted into cold tunnels. Why do it if the yields are lower and the labor is higher? Winter CSAs smooth out cash flow gaps. Even at break even, it keeps the farm alive financially through the slow months.
This community that we've created through our CSA program is just addictive and it's supportive. Our farm, I feel like, has been pulled into people's homes, and we're part of that dinner conversation in so many households now.
Footprint Farm chose a different path than 90% of other Vermont farms. Harvesting happens midday. Frozen leaves shatter. Thawed leaves survive. This works not because it's easy, but because they've learned to work with nature's rules.
So we do a whole lot of planning. We have that big planning session in the wintertime and we break it out by month. We have monthly goals that we share with our crew.
Plant when you can, harvest when you must, accept what winter gives. January spinach sells on 3 things: freshness, locality, and scarcity. For the right market, that's enough. Thanks for watching this video featuring farmer Taylor Mendel. If you want to listen to the full interview with Taylor, you can do so right here on this YouTube channel using the link below. Thanks again, and until next time, be nice, be thankful, and do the work.